The oi sound, the oi diphthong. This is a diphthong, so it means two sounds, moving, gliding one to the other. So it's oi. It starts on this very sort of forward placed, lips forward, or sound, like the or in port or law, and then it moves. The lips come back, relaxing, and you end up in this sort of I shape. Oi. Oi. So it's got to have that strong, clear movement. So let's try just the sound to start with. Oi. Oi. And let's add a consonant to the beginning, an N. Noi. Noi. And then let's try just the vowel, just the diphthong, with a consonant at the end. Z. Ois. Ois. Okay, if you feel like you're on top of that one, let's string these sounds together. So, oi, noi, noise. Okay, now let's take the sound first of all. Then we'll repeat that 5 to 10 times. Then a word, then that word in a short sentence. Okay, here we go. Oi. 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 Noise. 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 There's a lot of 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 noise. Okay, I think I got 5 on each time on that one. Okay, so that's the oi diphthong. Good luck with your practice.